The King of Cups sits upon a throne that floats upon restless water, the image of emotional mastery held steady in the midst of movement. As fire of water, he embodies the ability to act with compassion, remain centered in turbulence, and guide others with emotional integrity. Where the Queen governs the inner tides, the King directs emotion outward into wise leadership. The throne upon the sea is the first central symbol. It does not rest on solid ground. It rises and falls with the waves, showing that the king is not separate from emotion, but securely balanced within it. He cannot control the waters, yet he remains unmoved by their shifting. This is emotional stability born of inner discipline, strength expressed through calm rather than rigidity. The golden cup in his left hand forms the second symbol. Raised slightly, it represents emotional openness and the willingness to listen, counsel, and engage with sincerity. Unlike the page's curiosity or the queen's guarded mastery, the king offers his emotional truth openly and responsibly. His cup is an invitation to connection. The scepter in his right hand is the third symbol, signifying authority, will, and the ability to act decisively. Held opposite the cup, it reveals his essential balance, compassion shaped by responsibility, feeling harmonized with leadership. He rules not through force, but through emotional intelligence. The sea creatures around him offer the fourth and fifth symbols. The leaping fish symbolizes intuitive insight arising from the depths, moments of clarity that break through emotional waters. The distant ship represents life's ongoing journey, navigating storms and calm alike. Together, they show the king as navigator of the emotional realm, capable of interpreting intuition while moving steadily through life's shifting conditions. His clothing adds another layer of meaning. The blue robe for emotional depth and calm, the red tunic beneath for passion and vitality. These colors reveal a controlled fire within water, an integrated emotional life that neither suppresses feeling nor allows it to overwhelm. Taken together, these symbols depict a leader grounded in empathy, steadiness, and ethical clarity. In readings, the king may appear as a counselor, mediator, healer, or the querent, stepping into mature emotional responsibility. He teaches resilience, balanced expression, and the strength found in calm engagement. His shadow warns against emotional distance or repression. Yet even this points back to his core lesson. True authority arises from emotional presence, not avoidance.